Hello everyone and welcome back to Up for Dinner. Today we're going to explore the sea treasures with the steamed mussels, a dish that is both flavorful and simple.
You gotta cook and you know you're not a chef, but the kitchen shouldn't put you to the test. So put your apron on, turn up the heat, and in a matter of minutes we'll be ready to eat. Up for dinner. Up for dinner. You're watching up for dinner.
So we'll be using some fresh mussels, 3 large tomatoes, bunch of parsley, 3 cloves of garlic, olive oil, 1 large onion, a pinch of herbs, and a splash of cream. These ingredients guarantee a dish full of wonderful and rich flavors. Because cooking at home, it means that you're in control of the taste, nutrition, and most importantly, budget. It's a fun way to bring your kitchen to life and create a meal that is both satisfying and heartwarming. So let's chop 1 tomato and then 1 onion and garlic. You know how steamed mussels usually play an appetizer role? Well, we're turning them around into a full-on meal. The secret, it's all about the soup. First, we're gonna cut and sear tomatoes with onions, making our soup thick. Separately, we'll blend the tomatoes with a splash of cream and fresh parsley. It's our little trick to turn this mussel recipe into a soup that really fills you up and warms your soul. Another secret is to slice your onions very thinly to caramelize it better and melt it seamlessly into the soup, creating layers of deep flavor that perfectly complements your mussels. Now the garlic. Crushing the garlic before mincing it releases the aromatic oils, intensifying garlic's rich flavor. Alright, our chopping is done. Now we're gonna get blending. We are gonna blend the remaining tomatoes with cream and parsley. Okay, but first I'm gonna chop it. Okay, just like this. Nice and simple. Alright. I'm gonna add a cup of water to make it easier to blend. Here's my parsley. Nice. Nice and colorful. Beautiful. Okay, awesome. And I'm just gonna add a splash of cream on top of it. It's gonna be nice and soupy and creamy, most importantly. Done. Perfecto. All right, and now we're gonna start cooking. We'll start by sautéing our chopped onions until golden, and then we'll add our tomatoes. But first, olive oil. Here we go. Nice. And the onions. Ooh, that sizzling sound. Looking good, you guys. Smells even better. A pinch of herbs. Now I'm gonna add tomatoes. Our onions are looking great and golden. Adding tomatoes. Now it's our time to add the mussels into our mix. Nice and easy. as well as our blended herbs with cream. Wonderful. A teaspoon of salt. Okay. And that's about it. I'm gonna close the lid and let it cook for about 8 minutes, okay? Stay with me. It looks like it's almost ready. We're gonna be serving in no time. Ta-da! Delicioso. And we can add some fresh parsley on top, just to make it even better. Just like that. And there you have it, our flavorful, freshly cooked steamed mussels, ready to be enjoyed. Remember to check out the grocery list in the description below. It's the key to preparing this wonderful meal at home. Thank you so much for joining me for Up for Dinner. Don't forget to subscribe.